Oh my God.
Comedian Tina Fay came to me knowing a great deal about her mother's deep roots in Greece. But tracing her father's ancestry, we were able to take Tina back to a place that she'd never imagined was part of her family tree. And that was London, England, in the 1740s.
Tina, you're looking at a document on which the name of your fifth great-grandfather is written. He was born in England more than 30 years before the American Revolution.
I had no idea we had any family in England.
Really?
Yeah.
Please turn the page.
Oh my God.
That is John Hewson, your fifth great-grandfather.
That looks so much like my dad.
Really?
Yes. That looks like my dad. That's, yes. That's bananas.
We rarely find images of our guest ancestors from the 18th century, but Tina's ancestor was no ordinary man. Born in England, John was trained as a quilt maker and became a master of his trade. In 1774, he crossed the Atlantic to open a factory in Kensington, Pennsylvania, where he left behind a remarkable legacy.
Beautiful.
That's a collage of your fifth great-grandfather's artwork.
Wow.
You see this?
Uh-huh.
It hangs at the Met.
That's at the Met. Wow. That's amazing.
Tina, to this day, textile historians study your ancestors' work.
Wow.
I mean, he's a big deal.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
I tried to make a quilt once. I didn't finish.
So maybe you didn't get the quilting gene.
I didn't get it. I didn't get the quilting gene.
There was one more surprising beat to this story. On April 19th, 1775, the American Revolution broke out in Massachusetts and soon spread to Pennsylvania. Since Tina's ancestor had only immigrated from England the year before, we wondered which side he took in the conflict. A search of the National Archives revealed our answer.
Full name of soldier, Captain John Hewson.
Captain John Hewson. Your fifth great-grandfather created and led a militia of men who worked at his factory. And they served as patriots in the fight against the British.
What? I feel a renewed pride in this side of the family because I've never known any of this.
You descend from a patriot.
That's crazy.
Discovering the stories of our ancestors can be a profoundly transformative experience, changing the way we see ourselves, our families, and our shared history. To see more incredible stories, click here.